Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello. My name is Asnith and today I went ahead and used this Glitz Wiz palette from SheGlam. I've purchased clothes from Shein a couple of times now, but this was my first makeup purchase from them. I'm not gonna lie, I was shocked when I started using this palette. I think the look turned out so beautiful and it was not as difficult to work with as I was anticipating it was gonna be, so big thumbs up there. This is what the inside of the palette looks like, and obviously I went with the greens and a little bit of a goldish green shade. If you're looking for any certain specific color combinations, then definitely comment below and I will see if I can go ahead and create something for you using those shades. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in this tutorial. I've had a migraine for the past couple days and having my hair up in this ponytail is not helping at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. What do you think? Do you think you're gonna try and pick up this palette? It's reflecting my lights like crazy. Honestly, I did enjoy using this palette, so I will be using it again. I think I want to check out some other makeup that they have on Shein. This was, again, my first makeup purchase from there, so I do want to kind of look and see what else they have. Again, if you do have this palette and you have any specific colors that you're wanting to see, go ahead and comment below and I'll see what I can get created for you. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see future videos I will be posting multiple times a week here on my channel, roughly 2 to 4, so yeah, depending on how busy the week is. I did use a little bit of a gold glitter liner just on the outside of my wing. I almost forgot to mention that. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.